To translate the Godaddy website, start by right-clicking anywhere in the empty space and selecting Translate. A language option will appear, which is likely set to the default language, such as English. Click on the three dots next to the detected language and choose Select Another Language. Then, scroll down to find the language you prefer. For example, French. Select the desired language and click Translate. The website interface will now be translated into the chosen language, allowing for easier navigation and understanding. Note that the translation may not be perfect, but it can be helpful for those who prefer to use the website in a different language. To revert back to the original language, simply refresh the page by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. This will restore the website to its default language, usually English. The translation only applies to the website interface and does not affect the actual website built. With the Godaddy account,